The alignment on the front mount is within tolerance now.
Yes, the laser scan confirms it. We can proceed.
Calibration parameters are stabilizing. Check the sensor array.
Reading confirmed. Uploading validation data now.
Everything looks good on the checklist. Agreed. Let's finalize the sign-off.
Now in their optimized holding zones.
The spatial efficiency has significantly improved with this configuration.
Verification complete on row 7.
Confirmed. The shipment is cleared.
The rear axle weight on carrier 3.
Adjusting the input now. Looks balanced.
Confirmed. Good to go.
Checklist complete for lane 4. Confirmed. Awaiting dispatch command.
Priority dispatch authorized for lane 1. Proceed to exit.